right, everybody. Another beautiful car out of the Greg Graham C2 Corvette collection. There's about 26 cars that we're going to be selling in total. He's our owner and founder and avid Corvette collector since the 1970s. So this one's a 1965 convertible, of course. Fresher restoration on here, only 2,517 miles since completion, showing on the odometer. So the numbers matching 327 under the hood, 300 horsepower, power glide automatic. It does have power steering, power disc brakes at all four corners. All that seems to be in very nice working order. It also has an AM/FM radio, power antenna. Oh yeah, power windows, how could I forget? Factory air conditioning car, that's really rare on a, it's really rare for a Corvette of this vintage period, but it's ultra rare on a convertible. So now let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to speed's no problem. We are cruising right along here. It's got a real nice feel on the road. Very original feeling. Very easy to use with the automatic there also. See how it goes down the road. Nice and straight. I mean, I don't know what else you can ask for. It's an exceptional car with a beautiful restoration on it. Runs and drives great. All the gauges appear to be working. Oil pressure is showing phenomenal. Has the remanufactured radio, if you will. It does have the quartz movement in it. So yeah, it was a great car right off the bat. Few very minor issues on it. I think we adjusted the turn signal switch, and there was a couple other very minor things, but you can go on our website to check that out. We did service it. Our lead mechanic inspected it, and then we just did a couple very small things to it. Again, fresher restoration with only just over 2,500 miles on it. Absolute pleasure to drive. If you'd like to drive it, you can do that as well. Contact our sales department. Eric or Joey will be more than happy to go ahead and arrange that for you. Just give us a day's notice or so we can have the car out and ready for you. But any way you look at this one, no disappointments. Beautiful restoration, great driver. Something you can really take out, enjoy. Lots of desirable options too. If you guys do your homework, you'll see how rare this car is with the air conditioning, convertible, and of course the other things like the power windows. So yeah, you can go online, go to our website, check out all the pictures, the details, and full description at volocars.com.